Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for my mini mystery box of awesome. This is one of my favorite subscriptions because it's only $9.99 a month and it's a complete mystery. You have no idea what's inside here. And normally it's pretty useful, unique products. So let's take a look what came in the May bag. This is Arctic Flash High Performance Cooling Wrap. No refrigeration needed, just add water and shake. Huh. That is interesting. So you could use outside. Wet thoroughly, wringing out excess water, open and shake. You can machine or hand wash it as well. So I remember, I think it's completely sealed here. I remembered one of the first bags I got, I think it was a cooling towel that you got wet and you could lay it around your neck. And I think my husband used it a few times for cutting grass and whatnot. Ugh. So it's actually really not very flexible. I'm sure when it gets wet it probably is though. It's very unique looking. It's almost like a hard plastic. But you can see it's folded over, so it's probably good to put around your neck or however you want to use it. So I'm gonna put that back in there. Set that aside and let's see what else is in here. Oh, that's funny. So we got a Star Wars color and sticker activity set. Ages 3 and up. Has Kylo Ren on it. This would have been perfect for our vacation that we just got back from. Looks like it's taped. And inside there are some markers, some stickers, and little activity sheets. Jackson actually had something very similar to this that was Star Wars that he brought to Florida and he played with in the hotel room just kind of in the evening when he didn't feel like watching TV. So that's useful. We plan on going on another trip in a couple months once it's fall again. So I will be bringing that with us. I think he'll enjoy that. He's finally at an age where he likes to color and do those things. So we have one item left. They usually have a little postcard in there that advertises some of their other subscriptions. That one, they're just saying it didn't come with one this month. But you always get one of these little word finds and kind of brain teasers, and it tells you on there what month subscription is for. So this one's for May. And this is the last item, Lightning Flip. Try me. I light up. Unscrew the small cap, fill with water to the desired level, and test your flipping skills. That's kind of fun. Because then you could also drink out of it, but it's also interactive kind of little toy, little game. That's funny. Oh, it says, actually it says, do not use as a drinking container. Not for consumption. Do not refrigerate or freeze. Okay, well that's strange. So you're not supposed to drink out of it, but you pull that out and lights up and you practice flipping it. So I have seen a lot of people doing that with bottles randomly, like just younger kids, high school kids. Someone at the airport was doing it, so that's cool. I'm sure whoever invented this, I'm sure is making tons of money because it's trending now and whatnot. So that's what came in the May box. Or bag rather, but again, only $9.99 a month. Super fun. So if you're interested, I will leave all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.